Morning, I'm Mr. Lloyd, your friendly D&T teacher. Today I'm going to give you a brief summary on the topic of gears under the bigger umbrella of mechanisms. However, in the interest of time, I'll only cover a part of the gears. So as we know, gears comes in different sizes and shapes and forms and materials. So one of which is the spur gear. Spur gear basically is something that's round, but on its circumference has evenly spaced out number of teeth. So we can have gears of the same number of teeth, of course different sizes. We want it to be different sizes because we want to change the turning force as well as the speed of rotation. So for example, the gear that drives another gear is called the driver gear, and the gear that's been driven by the driver gear is called the driven. So in short, the gear ratio is actually the number of teeth of the driven divided by the number of teeth of the driver. So for example, the driver gear has a teeth of 40 and the driven gear has a teeth of 20, a smaller gear. So the gear ratio is 4/2 or 4:2, or of course if you simplify into simplest term, 2:1. So in other words, the driven gear will have to rotate 2 times or 2 rounds when the driver gear rotates 1 full complete round. And of course, in this case, we are actually increasing the speed. Now we also have what we call the idler gear. Idler gear basically is the middle gear that sits between the driver and the driven. The whole purpose of the idler gear is to make sure the driven gear's rotation is the same as the rotation of the driver. So for example, the driver gear needs to rotate in a clockwise manner and you want the driven gear to rotate in the clockwise manner, you add the idler gear in between. And of course, the third one I want to introduce to you is called the gear train, also known as compound gears. It simply means multiple gears of different sizes are connected together at different layers. So as such, the combination can allow a significant increase or decrease in the turning force, or we call it the torque or the speed.